Good morning to all of you. How are you? All are fine? Okay. Did you write the assignment? But somebody has not returned your assignment to me. Tomorrow also I will check your assignment, okay? The last previous class we discussed about the silicon tetrachloride, silicones and silicate. Just told you for the introduction about the silicates. Now, what are silicates? We already learned that what are silicates? The minerals which contain silicon or oxygen. The minerals which contain silicon and oxygen in tetrahedrally. The formula, the unit is SiO4 minus unit. Together in different pattern are called silicate. So here, the minerals, one of the minerals, they are containing silicon and oxygen in tetrahedral. The unit is SiO4 minus. And linked together in different pattern are called as silicate. Then what are the types of silicate? Number one, orthosilicate, otherwise called nesosilicate. It is the simplest silicate which contains discrete SiO4 minus. It is the simplest silicate which contains discrete SiO4 minus. Tetrahedral units are called as orthosilicate, otherwise called nesosilicate. Here the example is phenacite. Formula is Be2SiO4. Here Be2 plus ions are tetrahedrally surrounded by O2 minus ion. Let us draw the structure of orthosilicate or nesosilicate. Okay. Next, how to draw the structure of orthosilicate? Structure of orthosilicate is otherwise called nesosilicate. First of all, I am drawing the 3D view. That means first one is silica. This is a silica. Next, oxygen. Here, all oxygen having negative charge. All oxygen having negative charge. This is the 3D. Here, the silicon is at the center. 4 oxygen atoms tetrahedrally surrounded by silicon atom. Okay, this is the 3D view. But next also the textbook having one more diagram. That is the 2D view. Okay, this is silica. Oxygen. Each oxygen having negative charge. This is the 3D view. Here, one of the oxygen is placed back side of the plate. This is the back side. This is the 3D view. Okay, 3D view can be drawn. It is not possible to draw here, but somewhat we can be drawn. Here, one of the oxygen is placed on the back side, back of this paper. Okay, back of the plate. So this is the 3D view. This is the 2D view. Okay, here silicon. This silicon is surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms. That is tetrahedral is surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms. Here also same like that, but this is a 2D view. Okay. Next about the pyrosilicate or sorosilicate. Here the pyrosilicate which contains SiO2 6 minus. What's the formula here? Pyrosilicate formula Si2O7 6 minus. This is the pyrosilicate ions, or otherwise called sorosilicate. They are formed by the joining of two silica, SiO4 minus tetrahedral units, by sharing one oxygen atom at one corner. That is, one of the oxygen is connecting between two SiO4 minus units. For example, this is silica. Here, oxygen. Oxygen. Oxygen has negative charge. This is one diagram. And another one. Oxygen. Silica. Okay. Here, two units. This two unit, one of the oxygen is occupied on the center. It is connected the two units. Here, how much silicon having? Two silicon. The formula, two silicon. 1, 2 silicon. Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each oxygen having negative charge. Okay? How much oxygen having? 7 oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Then what are the examples? As I told you, throughout peptides, the formula is Sc2, Si2O7. Formula, what's the formula? Se2Si2O7. This is the formula. Next, about the cyclic silicate. The structure will be important, very important structure. The cyclic silicate means it's otherwise called ring silicate. The formula is SiO3N. Cyclic silicate, the formula, what's the formula? SiO3N. This is the formula, and also total 2N minus. This is the ions for cyclic silicate. This is also tetrahedral SiO4 minus unit. It can be formed between 3 or more. It can be taken 3 or more. Which unit? SiO4 minus unit. 3 or more SiO4 minus unit, which are cyclically connected to form cyclic silicate. They are connected by cyclically, one by one joining it, cyclically, connected by cyclically to form cyclic silicate. Here each silicate unit share of 2 of its oxygen. Previously we learned about the thiosilicate, 1 of an oxygen joining. Here for cyclic silicate, 2 oxygen is joining. For example, we draw a diagram. How can we draw the diagram? First, make it dot here. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Imagine this is an oxygen atom. First to join. One diagram is over. Center is occupied by silicon. Okay? Next one. 1, 2, 3. They can be joined. Center is occupied by silicon. Okay? The next one. 1, 2, 3. The center is occupied by silicon. Okay? Here, I already told you, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 3 or more SiO4 minus unit connecting. That is called what? Cyclic silicate. Here, the example is beryl. What's the formula for beryl? Be3 Al2 SiO3 6 times. Okay? What's the formula for barium? Be3 Al2 SiO3 is 6 times. This is an aluminosilicate. Here, aluminium is surrounded by 6 oxygen atoms octahedrali. Here, aluminium is occupied where? Aluminium is surrounded by oxygen atom octahedrali. Okay? The next one is inosilicates. This silicate, inosilicates. Here, the number with silicate which is containing n number of silicate units. That means n means number more than 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, maybe 10, 100 like that. Inosilicates. Number of silicate linked by sharing of 2 or more oxygen atoms. Here, n number of silicate linked by sharing 2 or more oxygen atoms. 2 or more oxygen atoms. Here, what's the definition? The silicate which contain n number of silicate units linked by sharing 2 or more oxygen atoms. They are classified into chain silicate, double chain silicate, etc. Here, we can draw the diagram. What is the diagram means? Start with 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. And so on, etc., and so on. These are oxygen. Oxygen minus charge, oxygen, minus charge, minus charge. Oxygen, minus oxygen. In the center, silica is surrounded, okay? Occupied silica. Can you draw this diagram? Structure of chain silicate. Here, about the chain silicate, the silicate containing SiO3N minus, the formula is SiO3N 2N minus. This is the formula for here the chain silicate. N is the number of tetrahedral SiO4 units linearly. Here, the SiO4, this is an SiO4 minus ions. This group is, this unit is arranged in a linearly. What is the meaning of linear? Straight line. Make it a straight line. Linearly. This is one of the SiO4 minus unit. This is also SiO4 minus unit. This is also SiO4 minus unit. This is also SiO4 minus unit. And etc. Going on. Each silicate unit share 2 of its oxygen atom. This is one of an oxygen atom. This is another oxygen atom. Sharing 2 of its oxygen atom. Because here also I have 1 more 2. And here 1, 2. Each of an oxygen atom. 2 of its oxygen atom. This group 1, 2. Here. So each silicate unit share 2 of its oxygen atom with other unit. Okay. The examples. What is the examples of this silicate? What is the example? What is the examples of chain silicate? That is called Spodumene. S-P-O-D-U-M-E-N-E. Spodumene. Here, what's the formula? Lithium aluminum silicate. LiAl. SiO3 twice. Lithium aluminum silicate. These are examples of chain silicate. Here, double chain silicate. This is a ordinary chain silicate. Next one is a double chain silicate. Here, this silicate containing one of the formula. Double chain silicate. This silicate containing Si4O11 N Si4O11 N times and also 6N minus ion 6N minus ion. Here the formula, don't forget that for the one word question, what is the double silicate ions? Double chain silicate Si4O11N 6N minus ion. These silicates, there are two different types of tetrahedra, two different types. Those here three vertices, those here two vertices. There is only three vertices. One of them are three vertices and another one is a two vertices. For example, asbestos. Asbestos. Did you know about the asbestos? That is the structure of double chain silicate. Okay, example. Asbestos. Okay. Here, these are non-combustible. One of them are by non-combustible. Non-combustible. Non-combustible silicate. What is the use? Asbestos use. They are used for thermal insulation material, brake lining, construction materials, etc. These are the examples. Okay. About the asbestos, these are non-combustible silicate. These asbestos, these are non-combustible silicates. What is the use of asbestos? They are used for thermal insulating material, brake lining, constructing material, etc. These are about the double silicate and the structure. How can you draw the structure? For every structure is important and also what is the unit is also important. Structure. How can you draw the structure? All of you know able to draw the structure of benzene. Benzene also draw like this. This is the structure of benzene. Am I right? Like that you draw the structure of benzene. Here, you should be draw like that, not like that. Can you draw? Can you draw the first one? Is that no? Here. Next. One dot. This is one. Clear? Next one. Yeah. Next one. Yeah. Next one. Next one. Next one. Here, structure of double silicate. Here, oxygen. These are all oxygen. 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 This is the silicon. This is very easy. Am I right? Here. What is the next one? Can you draw the next one? What is the next step? How can I draw? Okay. Here silicon. And so on. Like that. Okay. Just like center is just like medicine shape. That is a 6-membered ring like that. 6-membered ring. Like that. Clear? This is the structure of double chain silicate. Double chain silicate. Clear? Next about the sheet or pyro sheet. Next question. Sheet. Sheet or pyro. P-H-Y-L-L-O. Pyro sheet. These are silicate which contain Si2O5. Si2O5 N times and also 2N minus ion. These sheets are pyrosilicate. Sheet silicate is contain what? Si2O5N 2N minus ion is called a pyrosilicate. Here each silicate ion, that is each SiO4 minus ion tetrahedral will share 3 oxygen atom with other forming by 2-dimensional sheet. Here this silicate is SiO4 minus tetrahedral unit share 3 oxygen atom. How much oxygen atom? 3 oxygen atom. How much oxygen atom? 3 oxygen atom with other and thus forming with others SiO4 minus it contains 3 oxygen atom with others and forming 2-dimensional sheet. Two-dimensional sheet. Okay. Here example mica example. We can give the mica. Mica is a very good example for this pyro sheet. How can you draw this pyro sheet? Structure of sheet. Pyrosilicate. Structure of sheet or pyrosilicate. This is one. Next one. Okay, two structures. Next arm. Okay, can you draw this structure of sheet and pyllosilicate? It's a very simple. If you are taking return practice, it will be easily, very easily. Okay, make it practice at least 5 times. If you are taking practice, you can easily draw the structure of sheet or pyllosilicate. Sheet or pyllosilicate. The next last one, 3-dimensional silicate, otherwise called tectosilicate, 3-dimensional silicate. This is the 2-mark question. Silicate in which all the atoms of SiO4 minus tetrahedron share with 3-dimensional structures. Here, silicate of all the oxygen atom of SiO4 minus tetrahedron are shared with tetrahedron to form 3-dimensional structures are called what? This 3-dimensional silicate. Here, the example is we can say quartz. Quartz is the examples of 3-dimensional silicate. Next question is about the zeolite. It's a very important question. Zeolite. Zeolites are 3-dimensional crystalline solid containing aluminium, silicon, oxygen. Which are element present? Aluminium, silicon, oxygen in their regular 3-dimensional framework. Which are the element present? It containing aluminium, silicon, oxygen in their regular 3-dimensional framework. They are hydrated sodium aluminium metasilicate. They are hydrated sodium aluminium silicate and they have the general formula NaO, Al2O3, X molecules of SiO2 and Y molecules of H2O. What is the general formula for zeolite? It's a very important. The general formula for zeolite. What is the formula? NaO, Al2O3, X molecules of SiO2 and Y molecules of water. Here X is equal to 2 to 10 and Y is equal to 2 to 6. This is about the zeolite formula. What is the zeolite? What is the speciality about the zeolite? Zeolites having a porous structure, have some hole, porous structure in which the monovalent sodium ions and water molecules are loosely held. Here, these zeolites have the porous structure in which the monovalent sodium ions and water molecules are loosely held. The silicon and the aluminum atoms are tetrahedrally coordinated with each other through shared oxygen atom. Zeolites are similar to clay materials. It is similar to clay materials but differ in the crystalline structure. Zeolites are similar to clay materials and differ to their crystalline structure. Again, the zeolites having three-dimensional crystalline structure looks like a honeycomb, consists of a network of interconnected with a tunnel and cage. Here, water molecules move freely out and in through the pores. Okay. Don't forget about the definition about the zeolite. Zeolites are the three-dimensional crystalline solid containing aluminium, silicon and oxygen in their regular three-dimensional network. They are hydrated sodium, aluminium, silicon. They are hydrated with the sodium, aluminium silicate. We have the general formula. Don't forget the general formula. NaO. Say all of you. NaO, Al2O3, X molecules of SiO2 and Y molecules of H2O. What is the general formula? NaO, Al2O3, X molecules of SiO2 and Y molecules of H2O. This is about the zeolite and about the textbook having some summary. Some summary about in our textbook. I think that the last of the page, the lessons over the last of the page, you have some summary. Please take the textbook, page number 51. Page number 51. That's the summary. The summary area you should be read at least 1 or 2 times. You should be read the summary. If you are reading the summary area, you can get a more idea about regarding to the subject. First point, already we have discussed that one, and the second point, the first one, p orbitals constitute p block elements. About the p block elements definition. Next, about the general electronic configuration of p block elements. Then and also about the quantum numbers. Then about ionization energy decreases and metallic character increases. Next about the ionization enthalpy. Next about the electron negativity. These are some maybe asked about the one-word question. Just for the one-word question. Next about the anomalous properties. The first group is differ from other element. That's having. Next about the post-transition metal of outer NS having tendency, that is the inert pair effect. Inert pair effect definition having. Next about allotropism, definition for allotropism. Next about the borax is a sodium salt of tetraboric acid. Next about the boric acid is extracted from borax and colimonite. Boric acid has two-dimensional layered structures. Next about the alum, potash alum, formula having K2SO4, Al2SO4 ties 24H2O. Next about the carbon, silicon, cantination and the carbon nanotubes. These are everything having. Then about the yesterday portion, silicones are the polysiloxane of organosilicon polymers. And also about the silicate definition. What is about the silicate definition? The minerals which contain silicon and oxygen in tetrahedral units linked together in different patterns are called as silicates. About the types of silicate, orthosilicate, otherwise called mesosilicate, pyrosilicate, sorosilicate, etc. And cyclic silicate, inosilicates, and chain silicate, double chain silicate. And also other types, sheet and pyrosilicate, three-dimensional silicate, these are the types. Next about the definition for about the zeolite. Now we will learn about the zeolite. It is a three-dimensional crystalline solid containing aluminium, silicon and oxygen in a regular three-dimensional framework. And also what is the uses about that zeolite means for the removal of permanent hardness of water. So very important for the one way. So some of the important area we covered that one this lesson. And about the regarding for the one-word question, book bank question having, I think that the 20 book bank question having. the 20 book bag questions, the answers also having in our textbook. Everything in our textbook having. So page number 234. 234 unit 2 and also 235 also having. You should be marked as per the answer having. Every on the question you should be learn that one. And also the assignment. For the assignment you should be draw the structure of all the structure of silicates. Okay, all the structures. At least you should be drawn in a note. And also take at least 2 or 3 times you should be take practice. And also the formulas. What are the formulas in the particular silicates? The formulas and also the example. If you are interested, you should be learn the examples also. And also some of the book bag questions and also have everything having. We have not time to clarify some of the book bag questions due to the insufficient of time. So during the next revision times in the classroom, we can be just discuss all the questions. If you have any doubt, we can discuss. And please, my humble request, please all of you learn, ready to learn all my subject. At least you should be learn the book bag question first. Book bag question, everything questions. At least, and also the very important repeating questions. I will tell you back. That time we should be learn the book bag questions and also the book inside question. And especially for this lesson, you should be take return practice each equation and how can you balance the equation. Theoretical part is not important, but I think that you should be take practice that equation, how to solve the equation, how to balance the equation, what are the reacting substances, what are the products obtained. These are the area you should be take return practice, otherwise it may be feel difficult. And also diagram is very important, and especially page number 47 display portion. That also the preparation of silicones, especially the silicones, the preparations and the reactions. That also very easy, and also silicon tetrachloride is also very easy. If you are taking 1 or 2 times return practice, it's very easy for you. And now all of you should learn the book bag question one word thoroughly, because we have no time to learn the one word the last time. So first of all, you should be learn the one word. I think that this lesson having only 21 words. If you are spending only 20 minutes, no need for 20 minutes. If you are taking 20 minutes, you can easily learn all the book bag one word question. At least book bag one word, you should be thorough with. And also some of the important area. Some of I told you about that. Some of the important area that also you should be thorough with and take return practice. Okay. We can start with the next lesson from tomorrow class. So thank you all of you, and thank you, and also the assignment.